Hello everyone, how to totes back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change your Facebook password on PC, laptop or Mac. So you can see this is the Facebook homepage. So what you need to do, you need to click here account, and after that you can see settings and privacy. Simply click on that and again click settings. Then you can see the option account center and password and security. Click here. Then you can see I have two accounts, one Facebook, another Instagram. So I created Instagram through my Facebook account. So you can see password and security. Click here. Once you click here, then you can see change password. Simply click on that. So which account you are going to change your password? So I'm going to change my password from Facebook. If you want to change your password on Instagram, then click here. So I'm just going to click Facebook. Then you have to give your password, and you'll see that when you updated your current password, this is the date. So you have to give your password here. So I just saved my password on my in this device, that's why it's here. And then you have to give your new password here and retype new password, and after that change password, and it's so easy. So okay friend, today is no more, and thank you for watching the video.